Dropshipping not as easy as it seems, but not for me. Even in 2024, I made $35K pure profit within 10 days with dropshipping. In this video, I'll show you what I did and what do I do to establish multiple profitable dropship businesses. I have tried dropshipping on different platforms with different dropshipping service provider. Always remember one thing, if your brain is empty, don't know where to start it, just copy another successful businesses, and don't worry, I'll show you how you can do this in this video. There are several tools available in the market that help you to spy on your competitor, but unfortunately a handful of them are the best. I'm making this video to help each other. If you're wondering how, well, I'll share my tools with you. In return, I'll asking you to help me to gain 100k subscriber, and this can't be possible without your support, guys. So make sure like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep posting more and more valuable content on this channel. Anyways, I'll cover all the steps from start to finish. In case we haven't met before, my name is Rana, and let's dive in. So first thing first, we have to find a niche. There are several ways to do this, like social media, Google Trends, and so on. For detailed guide to find a profitable dropshipping niche, you can check out this video, or you will find the same video link in the video description as well. Once you decide your niche, now we have to build a dropshipping store. Even there are several platforms to choose from like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, Shop Plaza, and so on. I personally rely on WordPress and Shopify, where WordPress provides more flexibility and control over your store. On the other hand, Shopify is super convenient and easy to set up. If you're just getting started, I recommend you to try out Shopify's 3-month free trial only for $1 per month. Setup link in the video description, or you can type in this URL, runasvfx.com/Shopify, and it will take you to this web page where you have to type your email and simply click on get started. On the next page, create your account, and you can use your social media account, or you can use your own email to sign up. Type your email address and password and click on create Shopify account. Now go to your mailbox and confirm your email. Once you verify your email and you land on your Shopify store, and here you have to simply click on your store button in the left hand side, as you can see here, and you can see your store is password protected. As you can see, to unlock it, click on pick a plan button. Here you can choose a basic plan only for $1 per month, and your store will be unlocked, and you're ready to add your favorite themes and apps. For detailed Shopify store setup guide, check out the description box. Once you set up your dropshipping store, it's time to find a winning product and your dropshipping supplier. Most beginners make mistakes here, and in the end, they fail and they quit. Bro, you were doing this in a wrong way, that's why you fail and quit. Let me show you a simple and free method. Go to Facebook ad library, link in the video description, and here select your target country, and in the ad section, ad category section, select all ads. In the search box, type shop now or buy now and press enter, and you can also use this filter to sort the ads. I found that video ad performed well instead of image based ad. You can use this filter to sort out video ads only. Now scroll through the ads and see who is running more than 8 ad unit. When you see it, ask yourself why they are spending a lot of money on their ads. Obviously, because they are making profit from it. Why would someone waste their money if the product is not profitable? Okay, so this is my strategy to finding a winning product. It's not that complicated. Simply visit their store and see what are they doing there. Your job is to find or note down the price of the product, because later you have to lower the price of your product, and you also have to observe the design of the product page, because later you have to make your design better than your competitor. To create a high conversion product page, there is a link in the video description, so make sure to watch that guide, and let's proceed further and let's see how to find a right dropshipping supplier for your business. Now it's time to source the product. For that, there are several dropshipping service provider companies out there, but I like Fulfillment. If you remember, in the beginning of this video, I've told you guys I've made more than $35K pure profit within 10 days. To achieve this profit, Fulfillment has helped me a lot. I've already made a dedicated video on how to find a right dropshipping supplier. Link in the video description. Don't forget to check out that video as well, or maybe somewhere in the card right here. Anyways, if we talk about Fulfillment's features, they provide fast shipping because they have their own private line, and you'll get hot selling product, excellent customer service, and it can be integrated with any of your e-commerce platform. To start with the Fulfillment, just click on get a free code button, and Fulfillment support team will contact you via Skype and provide you with their dropshipping service. So once you got Fulfillment dropshipping service, import the product to your store, and remember, load the product price from your competitor and design a highly convergent product page by watching my other video, link in the video description. Once you're done with your product page, it's time to set up a payment gateway. When I do international dropshipping, I typically use PayPal. If you are interested in learning how to set a PayPal payment gateway, link in the video description, watch that video and set up a PayPal payment gateway. But in your case, you can choose any payment gateway of your choice as per your convenience. By the way, Stripe PayPal payment gateway is also a good one. And if you are interested in learning how to set up cryptocurrency payment gateway, I've already made a separate video for that, link in the video description. It's time to promote the product. Now here you have two options, free and paid. Free option may take time, but if you want fast result, you have to go with paid option like me. Remember, I made more than $35K within 10 days. I choose paid option. Anyways, you can run paid ads on Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Google Shopping ad as well. I have tried all of them, but Facebook ad work well for me. If you want to run a Facebook ad just like me, you must set up your Facebook business ad account and you must add Facebook Pixel to track your user activity on your store. In addition, you may require a Facebook page and Instagram account. And if you want to know how to set up a Facebook ad account, drop your comment and I'll make a video for you. And finally, create your ads and let it run at least for 3 days. Creating a profitable ad is also a long process. There are many things I want to explain, though it is not possible to do so in one video. You'll have to wait for a Facebook ad creation video on my channel. I promise it won't take long. Soon I'll post it. If all goes well as we planned, you should receive your order within 3 days. Now fulfill your order with Fulfillment and keep your profit. So that's the end of this video. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.